When it comes to reliable packing materials, having a strong brand can make a big difference in the eyes of consumers. Scotch has firmly established itself as the leading choice in the packing materials category, surpassing competitors like Duck. But what is brand strength, and how did Scotch achieve it? Brand strength is the unaided quality of a brand, measuring how often consumers specifically search for your brand rather than its competitors in the category. To measure your brand strength, you have to compare the volume of branded searches for every brand in a particular category. With 4 distinct branded search terms among the top 5 rankings in the category, Scotch has solidified its position as the go-to choice in the category. This is further supported by their #1 rank in share of voice, price leadership, and assortment strength. So how did Scotch do it? Scotch employed upper funnel activities such as DSP, sponsored brands, and sponsored display to precisely target prospective shoppers within the category. At the same time, Scotch used lower funnel tactics like shopping ads and dynamic remarketing, reaching customers who were already familiar with their products. This well-crafted media mix helped amplify brand awareness, drive conversions, improve customer loyalty over time, and ultimately lead to increased sales and higher profit margins for Scotch. In addition to brand strength, there are 7 other key metrics that can elevate your performance in retail e-commerce. Reach out to Commerce IQ today to get a category leaderboard produced for your brand and unlock profitable retail e-commerce growth with Commerce IQ.